If you use Replit, you know it's great for running code. But what happens when your project needs a visual interface? Maybe you are testing a browser automation script, running a Python app with a GUI, or just tired of looking at a black text console. The second you hit run, Replit throws a display error and crashes. That's because these online workspaces are headless. They don't have a monitor or graphics card. Today we are going to fix that. We are going to build a simple, lightweight Linux desktop right inside a standard Replit app. It's completely free and it runs straight into your browser. Let's get into it. First, if you don't have Replit account, go to Replit website and create a new account. You can sign up with your Google or GitHub account in just a few clicks. Once you are logged in, create a new project workspace. A quick warning so you don't waste your time. You cannot just run apt install or try to use Docker to boot up a desktop here. Replit runs your code inside a locked-down secure container. It completely blocks you from installing root level software. So, how do we get around this without breaking any platform rules? We use a tool called PRoot. Think of it as a simulator. It runs entirely inside a project folder and tricks your programs into thinking they have full root access. It gives us a mini Linux system inside our Replit folder without needing actual admin permission. To make this work, we only need three lightweight tools. First, we need a window manager. We can use heavy desktops like Ubuntu standard layout because it will use up all your RAM and freeze the project. Instead, we are using Fluxbox. It uses almost no memory and gives us a clean background and basic windows. Second, we need a way to see it. Fluxbox will send the video data to a background VNC server. Third, we use noVNC and Websockify. This takes the background VNC video, turns it into a web stream, and sends it to port so we can open it in a regular browser tab. This script does all the heavy lifting. It cleans up any old files, downloads the PRoot simulator, and sets up a startup file called xstartup. Be careful here. The script writes the startup file exactly as a literal block of text. This avoids the common bug where the terminal mixes up special characters and breaks the code. Finally, the script starts the VNC server at 720p resolution and boots up the web stream. Now, since the script is downloading a whole bunch of packages, it's going to take about a minute to finish everything. While we wait for the terminal to do its things, let's be honest. If you have made it this far into a video about user space container virtualization, you are officially a massive tech nerd. It's okay, embrace it. And since you are already part of the club, you might as well hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. It helps push this video to the algorithm and it keeps you from getting display errors in your real life. Just smash it. While this finishes installing, let's address a major disclaimer. This entire project is made strictly for educational purposes, learning how cloud container architecture works and testing your own code. Because of that, you need to know how Replit handles these sandboxes. If you leave your project tab idle for more than 15 to 30 minutes, Replit will automatically put the container to sleep. To save server resources, when that happens, your BNC stream will stop completely. To keep your session alive while you are working, make sure to keep the Replit tab open in your browser and check on it from time to time. If it does time out, make sure to remember this that you have to rerun the whole script from the start. So, don't close out this main terminal tab while you are using the desktop. The terminal needs to stay open and active to keep running the background Websockify engine. If you close this tab, engine dies and the connection drops immediately. Keep in mind. Alright, the text finally stopped moving and our stream is officially live. Let's jump into the desktop. Now, go to the top of Replit, click the plus button and open the networking tool. To do so, search developer and click. Now here you can see networking, select it and you can see here a link. Just click it and now select BNC. Ask for password, type the password shown in the screen and you can successfully connect it. As you can see, we have access to our desktop